Class 10th, Chapter 6, Political Parties. Good morning, children. Myself, Mrs. Najiba Khan of Lovely Public Senior Secondary School, Priyadarshini Vihar, Delhi. Today, I am here to teach you chapter Political Parties. Before I start this chapter, I want you to know that what are the learning outcomes of this chapter. So let's begin. The first learning outcome is to acknowledge the need of political parties in a democratic setup. Second is to critically analyze the work of political party. And the third learning outcome is to enhance their creativity by reflecting their role as a citizen in the democratic decision-making process. Children, so let's start the chapter. What is a political party? A political party is a group of people who come together to contest elections and hold power in the government. They agree on some policies and programs for the society with a view to promote the collective good of the nation. They even seek to implement their policies by winning popular support through elections. Few examples are BJP, INC, Aam Aadmi Party, etc. Now, children, after understanding the meaning of a political party, let's understand its components. A political party has three components. They are as follows: the leaders, the active members, and the followers. So, children, who is a leader? Every political party has some prominent leaders who formulate policies and programs of the party and choose candidates for contesting elections. Take example, BJP leader is Narendra Modi. Second important component of a political party is the active members, who are involved in different committees of the party and participate directly in their activity. Third component is the followers, who believes in the party's ideology and support the party by casting their votes in favor of the party at the time of elections. Now, children, let's understand the various functions of political parties. Political parties exercise political power. They perform different functions in a democracy. The first important function is they contest elections. Political parties contest elections. Elections are the constitutional means to gain power. Political parties nominate their candidates to contest elections. The second important function is that they formulate policies and programs. A political party formulates its views on the various social, political, and economic issues before the nation. It draws out policies and programs to solve these issues. It seeks support of the public and the voters in favor of its policies and programs. The third function is that they play a role in making laws. Different bills and proposals are floated in legislatures. Political parties form their views on these bills and accordingly direct their members to vote for or against them. This is how laws come into being. Fourth important function is that they form and run government. A political party with majority support in a legislature forms the government. It has the mandate from the people to implement its policies and programs. Fifth function is that they play the role of opposition. All other parties, other than the ruling party, form the opposition in the legislature. Presence of a strong opposition works as a check on the ruling party. The ruling party cannot run the government purely by its whims and fancies. It can always be questioned by the opposition. Sixth important function is that they shape public opinion. Political parties work through their active members and sympathizers. This is how they influence public opinion and attempt to seek their support in favor of its policies and programs. And the last function here we are discussing is that they provide access to government machinery and welfare schemes to the people. Political parties act as a link between the people and the government. It is easy for a common man to approach a local party leader than a government official.